Yo, this is how you make broke boys kimchi jjigae. Whew. Literally, all you need is some kimchi and some spam. All right, let's get right into it. First thing first, we're gonna pop these joints open. Boom. All right, we're gonna cut this in half. We're literally only just using half. Boom. Bop. Bop. You get the point, right? Just like that. All right, so high heat. Tablespoon of sesame oil. Boom. Now we're gonna throw in our spam. And now we're gonna throw in our kimchi. Just like that. Throw all that in there. All right, we're gonna let that cook. So here's my little secret.
What is that?
Rice water, baby, let's go. All right, so we're gonna soak that in water. We're gonna give this a rinse a couple times. One. Just like if you were to rinse your rice before making your rice. There goes some rice water. So while we're waiting for that to boil, we're gonna chop up some onions and scallion. Boom. Just like that. Onions in. Boom. And some scallion. Half a tablespoon of garlic. A little bit of black pepper. And a little bit of hondashi. Some people add dashida as well too. If you guys have like a coin broth or you want to make your own broth, whatever works, you know?
So what was that rice water about?
So you know when you make pasta, people use like pasta water? Just like that, you know, like with kimchi jjigae, we're using rice water to like thicken up the salt. Yeah, I would assume you would never cook because you're always at the restaurant.
Nah, my soba myeon is killer.
Soba myeon? What? Who wants to see Carter's, Bites soba noodle? Comment below. 0 comment. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it's gonna be 0 comments.
Lastly, I forgot my tubu. Tubu is very important, you know? Actually, why is tubu important?
Yeah, why is that?
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of like tubu and kimchi jjigae. You know?
Why is it because it waters it down?
No, I just think a lot of Korean soup just have tubu. Like sundubu jjigae, doenjang jjigae, right?
Yeah.
Kimchi jjigae. Every Korean jjigae, like spicy, has like tofu in it. Why is that? Is it because of protein?
I guess.
So at a restaurant, we just give 2 big pieces of tubu like that. And then we throw it on top, like that. And that's really it. But let's give this a taste real quick. I wonder if the tubu is to give it color.
That would make sense.
Oh, ooh. So depending on how your kimchi jjigae tastes, every kimchi tastes different. And today, we're cooking with my kimchi. And my kimchi is literally made for kimchi jjigae. So I don't have to add any other ingredients to it. But depending on how your kimchi jjigae tastes, you can add a little bit more pepper flakes, pepper powder, and even some soy sauce. This is optional, okay? But sometimes I like to add a little bit of doenjang in there.
Why?
It gives like more in-depth flavor. 좀 이상하지?
Yeah.
Oh, I prefer to make kimchi jjigae with pork bone. That's like my favorite way to make it. But when I'm in a rush and I'm at home and I got kimchi and spam, this is my next best recipe. Just some spam and some kimchi. Look at that. All right, moment of truth. Let's go. Ooh, I need some rice, baby. Let's go.
Kimchi Jjigae?
No. That's it.
다 먹었대?
Yeah, thank you.
어, 퍼졌어.
How's the kimchi?
Fuego.
Fuego. Yeah, I can't believe making the kimchi jjigae had us end up making all this.
너 밥 먹어?
먹으면 안 돼? 김치찌개는 밥이랑 so goes out so well with kimchi. And you don't get a heartburn from the scallion?
No. I'm still kind of young. Kind of.
They're still kind of young?
Yeah.
You're old now. They call you
Did you ever go eat gogi by yourself?
Mm-mm. I've been wanting to these days. There's a Korean barbecue spot right across the cafe I would have. So all you can eat. I feel kind of weird to just go in there by yourself, you know?
I mean, but if it's all you can eat, you just pay for your own portion, so. I think that'd be more okay than going into like
Really? I thought oppositely. I'd rather go into a regular Korean barbecue spot and just order like
The
2 people worth.
Mm.
I feel like if I go eat at all you can eat by myself, they're gonna judge me like this dude trying to clear this place out, you know?
Yeah.
You know what I actually get asked all the time? One of my favorite things to do is I like to go eat by myself. People always ask me, like, hey chef, what are you doing? Or, oh, 왜 혼자만 먹어요? Like, why are you eating by yourself? I'm like, ah, you know. But really, honestly, I just want to say, I'm eating by myself. Eat that up, bro.
That's not making it in.
Oh, I'm so full, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna close this out. Energy up, energy up. All right, you do the closing.
Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. 여보세요. Did I do that right?
안녕.